Let me show you how to add text behind moving objects in CapCut. First, open CapCut, tap on the new project and select your video. Before editing, my video looks like this. Tap on text option and then add your text. Now choose the font you like and then adjust other settings if you want. Then place the text wherever you feel it looks best. Save and then align your text with your video. If you want the text to move in line like in my video, use the tracking option. Move the yellow circle to a part of the background and then tap on Start Tracking. Now my video looks like this. You need to export the video and then tap on New Project and select that video. Now tap on Overlay option and select the original video. Enlarge it to fit the background video and then select the cutout option. Select Customize Cutout, set the brush and start drawing over the object. After you mark an object in one frame, it will be automatically marked in every frame. If you spot any mistakes, simply correct them by using the brush to paint over those areas. Your video should look like this after editing. In the next part of the video I will show you how to add text behind the person in the video. I already have this tutorial on my channel but without the voiceover. I believe it will be much easier for you to follow the steps with the voiceover included in the video. Tap on the new project and select your video. Now tap on text option and add your text. Choose font and color and then you can adjust other settings. Now align text to your video. Select animations you like and then export the video. Now tap on New Project and select the exported video. Tap on Overlay option and then select the original video. Enlarge it to fit the background video and then select the cutout option. Select Remove Background option and then wait for the process to complete. After editing, my video looks like this. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.